Hello friends, welcome to Genome Software. In this video, I am going to explain how you can give access to your employee. So whenever you create an employee, you can give access, you can give required access to your employee through through HR management access control list. Now when you go to access control list, first select the staff that you want to give access to. Now all the staff is not going to be your admin. Admin is going to get all the staff access. Say suppose certain employee is a collection agent or is only going to work on accounting. So how that access can be given? So there are two ways. Either you can select here all access created by the system. That is, it will give you all the access that is available in Jainam software, that is around 194 access. Now you can go one by one through it and appropriately just deselect the access that you don't want to give to this particular employee, okay, and tick mark only that access that you want to give. So for example, for this employee I want to give customer all list access, so keep it tick. Everything about the customer I want this employee to have. Then for example, he's not a collection agent, so I don't want to give him any access regarding field collection. So this way you will exactly know what access you are giving to that particular employee, okay, and then just click on add user access. This is one way you can give access, okay. Now another way you can give access is by selecting, just click on this box and you will be able to see all the access here. So you just pick and choose. For example, you want to give customer create customer, just say add user access and access will be added here. So this way you can give the access, that whatever access you want to your employee in this particular way. There is other way also. You can create role based access. Like you can give you can create a role called as manager or collection agent, and then you can give whatever access you want to give them this way, okay. So there are actually three ways. One way is you look at all the access that is created by the system, pick and choose the access you want. If not, you can just see the list here of all the access and then keep adding the user access or create a role based system, okay. This is how you're going to give employee access. So when the employee logs in, he'll be able to see only the access that has been given to him by the admin through access control list. Now say you want, there are 2 or 3 employees who is going to have the same access. So instead of doing the same thing again and again, instead of duplicating your work, you can just copy the staff you want to give the access to and say copy user access. So this way access will be copied from, now this is saying failed because I don't have more than one employee. I'm copying the access, same access to the same employee again. But if you have a different employee, then you can just copy the user access, okay. If you want to delete any access from here, you can just click and delete access, okay. So this is all about giving access to your employee. So friends, this is how you give access to your employee in Jainam software. Hope you like this video, and we are coming up with lots of new features, so do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day. Thank you.